Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to automatically update apps on your Android device, so you never have to worry about missing important updates again. First, go to the Google Play Store. Once the Play Store opens, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile photo or account icon. This will open a new menu with several options. Next, find and tap on Settings. After opening the settings page, you'll see different categories related to your Play Store preferences. From there, locate and tap on Network Preferences to continue. Inside the Network Preferences menu, look for the option called Auto Update Apps and tap on it. A pop-up window will appear with multiple update options. Here, you can choose Update over Wi-Fi only, which is the recommended option. This setting helps you save mobile data while still keeping your apps updated automatically whenever you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. Automatically updating apps ensures you always have the latest features, performance improvements, and security fixes installed on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.